Ganesh, am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Please ping me on WhatsApp so that I will have your contact details if in case I need it any regarding.
Sir,
Sorry?
understood.
Huh?
Understood properly. Some background voice, sir.
What are you saying?
Hello.
Huh?
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir.
Sir, your voice is not audible clearly, sir.
What is the problem? Everything is connected from my side.
I think some.
Is it audible now? Clear now?
Yes, audible. Yes, yes.
Just message me on WhatsApp from your number. So in case I need to convey any information regarding civil, I will contact you.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Where are others?
sir. I am trying to attend the maths class, but for technical, I can't attend this class.
Next class is possible. It's 1:15 onwards is our lab. Na?
Sir, but maths class
Everyone is involved in
from
that. The
I
batch,
think
batch
I
A, everyone is involved in that.
yes,
We will wait for 5 minutes.
sir.
Yes.
Message later
Yeah, yeah. No problem.
because
No problem.
mobile. I will send the message
You just send me
after
hi. Okay.
sir, after 2 3.
Voice is not audible. Disconnecting. Repeat it. Good afternoon, everyone. Am I audible? Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Today we will start our further discussion. Today our topic is tangent and normal to different conic curves. Okay, I will share my screen. Hope my screen is visible. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today we will discuss that tangent and normal to the ellipse. Okay. The statement of the problem is to draw tangent and normal to the curve from a given point Q. The point Q is given, any point Q is given on the ellipse. So how to draw tangent and normal to that ellipse
Hello, sir.
that we will discuss. Sorry,
हेलो. हाँ सर. में
voice is not audible. Who's that? Okay. So we will discuss how to draw tangent and normal to ellipse. Fine. First of all, this is our ellipse. For example, it is already given, and we have already seen how to draw ellipse. You have already seen with different methods, and likewise hope it is visible now. Fine. Now we have already seen ellipse, how to draw ellipse, and we have drawn ellipse as well. Parallel ellipse also we have drawn. So you are already having in your sketchbook the ellipse. Today we will discuss how to draw tangent and normal only. Fine. So for that we will start. That is very simple procedure. This is one point Q, any point Q. It is given to you, and at this point you are required to draw tangent and normal. Fine. So, what is the procedure? It is very simple procedure. First of all, you need to join that given point with both the focus. Understood? You need to join that given point with straight line to both the focus. Then, bisector of that angle will be a normal. That's it. Bisector of that angle inscribed by two focus and one given point will be your normal. And line perpendicular to that normal will be your tangent. So this is normal, this is tangent. Very simple procedure, only two-stage procedure. What is the steps? I will repeat again. That given point is there. Now you join both the focuses to that point, and a bisector of that angle is our normal, and line perpendicular to that normal is our tangent. Fine.
Sir, but at which, sir,
Yes.
but at which centimeter we have to take the point and measure minor
Very
axis
dear,
centimeter?
listen. I got your question. The point will be given to you with some definition that it is this much away or this much these or coordinate whatever. Right now you assume that point is given and you have already identified that point. What after? After that, what you need to do, that we are discussing. Fine. Understood?
Yes.
Now answer me. We are already having one ready-made normal. What is that?
What, sir? What?
We are already having one normal which you can easily
Okay.
see. What is that?
Yes.
Which normal I am
Sector,
talking
sir.
about?
Bisector of focus line F1 and F2.
Yeah, that is its name is then the minor axis. Fine. So
Yes.
now what we will do? We already have our ellipse in our sketchbook. So we will draw this normal and tangent to the ellipse. Okay, you will also do simultaneously with me. Fine. Is there any doubt in the procedure? This is a simple procedure,
No.
two-step procedure, three-step at max.
Sir,
Is there any doubt to
Sir,
anyone?
yes, sir.
sir,
Yes.
Sir, this possible arc.
Your voice is not audible clearly. Who is
सर
that?
अभी आ
Speak
रही
your
है आवाज
name. You speak your name and then ask question.
सोलंकी गणेश सोलंकी
हाँ बोलो.
सर ये मेथड खाली एप्लीकेबल है आर्क ऑफ सर्कल मेथड में ही एप्लीकेबल है ना ये
Why it is so?
व्हाट
Why it is? Why you feel so?
सर ये
तुम्हें ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है वो बताओ मेरे को. ऐसा पूछ रहा हूँ क्योंकि
सर क्योंकि
स्कीमेटिक में मैंने वो इलिप्स दिखाया है इसलिए.
की बात कर रहे हो ना
सॉरी. बोलो भाई.
हाँ सर फोकस की बात कर रहे हो ना आप इसके लिए
हाँ. That focus is given. Then if it is any ellipse, we can do.
ओके
Understand? In that context, you are correct. It is not like that. It can be done with arc of circle method only. It is not like that. But if you have focus given to you, then you can proceed with this method. Understood?
सर बात फोकस पता
Hmm? Your voice is not coming.
sir,
बोलो.
सर ये दो स्टेप से नेटवर्क
आवाज
चला
ठीक
गया
से
था.
नहीं आ रही है. आपकी आवाज ठीक से नहीं आ रही है.
प्रॉब्लम है बताओ ना.
चैट बॉक्स में
ये
लिखो.
पिंक
चैट बॉक्स में लिखो. मेरे को कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है. क्या डाउट है तुम्हें पिंक कलर वाले में, बताओ।
सर आपने जब इसलिए चला गया था।
हम्म? क्या हुआ?
एक्सप्लेन करो सर।
नहीं, क्या डाउट क्या है वो बताओ पहले, ऐसा बोल रहा हूँ मैं।
बोल तो रहा हूँ नेटवर्क इश्यू था इसीलिए रह गया वो।
अच्छा, तो अभी हम प्रैक्टिकल करने वाले हैं, उसमें उसमें आप अभी वापस करो, हम सब साथ में करेंगे। वी हैव ऑलरेडी ड्रॉन आवर इलिप्स, इन दैट इलिप्स वी विल ड्रॉ दिस, फाइन। Oh everyone, my book is
Not visible.
my book is
सर
sir,
No, son.
but all
Not
people
to-
are okay with me, fine. The problem we have solved, yes or no? Answer.
Yes, sir.
Whatever I will explain, sheet only or sketchbook, that is not a big issue. If the final product I this problem in your sheet, we will draw normal and ellipse. Ready everyone? Yeah.
Sir.
Visual. Hello. Nothing. Yeah.
You don't require my what I or own what we have already performed. Do what I have you. That's it. Automatically normal by your own. Start doing what I am explaining to you. Discussed in that that we will perform. So that okay.
Sir, the
Now
focus point का कितने सेंटीमीटर?
what will be the focus? Do you know?
No.
See, giving you yet. How we got the focus? Did you get? Did everyone get focus? I will explain you. We will now assume that is this out one. That is existing. Now it will have one axis and one minor axis. Correct? Correct or not?
सर आपकी ये स्केच बुक दिखाओ.
This is our existing ellipse. Now this outside ellipse. Your head and don't waste time. You just first of all, you everyone start following my steps. You select any ellipse. First of all, have you selected everyone? Yes. Now that ellipse will have one axis.
Yes.
Okay. On axis radius like this. Half of the radius. Like, and it will cut major axis at focus. Likewise, you find both the focuses. What? Did you get? subject learn, you want to follow PPTs to perform by. Please see, I won't see anyone's individually. You just make sure you are correct. Trust yourself. What I have explained, if you have followed that procedure, then it will be the correct focus. What? So after getting focus, now assume this point is given as Q. On the periphery of ellipse. See, if it is said in exam, draw normal and tangent to ellipse from any point, so you can select any point of your choice. If it is given by some definition, for example, it is this much away from major axis and this much away from minor axis, then you identify accordingly. That is not big deal. Now what we will join both the focuses with given point. I will use dotted line to show you. Got it, everyone? Did everyone get that angle? Now, next step is you need angle. How you will bisect? This angle me you or not? I am asking something. Anyone knows angle?
No.
How to bisect? See, given point, any arbitrary, fine, and mark curve. It will cut these two lines. Say for example, now you add some intersection point here. Find them. Did you got? Got?
Yes.
Everyone got? Nice. Now tangent to this, so that will perpendicular line normal at given that perpendicular q. Anyone? That is one having. Then you can directly put that 90 degree. Have directly like if you don't have anything, then also we are having one method. What we will do, line here of that the one line that q. How we will draw? We will radius any arbitrary have two arcs either side of q on this not these. So for example x1 y1 bisector of this x1 will be the normal, will be the perpendicular line to the normal, and that too from point. Very simple. Now x1 y1 and side another on we will join that one point. Understood? So this will be your tangent. Actually, my tangent and normal will be like this. Did I? Did everyone get not? Am I audible?
Yes.
Take it slowly. Make it fast. Have you? Then answer me. Ask multiple times. Amal, have you completed? Amal, are you there? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Complete?
Sir, one.
There? See, it is not correct. You can't take this much. It is just a matter of 2 minutes. Completed or not? Everyone normal or not? For this
Yes,
ellipse.
sir.
Who is this?
Then
Okay, show me. Amal, are you there? Please inform someone that to Amal that I am asking for him. Chalo, Tanuj, show me your screen fast. You people are taking too much time. We are civil mechanical people. We should not take this much time.
Sir,
If you don't require voice, right? What you have done. These technical challenges will be there. We'll have to cope with it.
मार्क नहीं किया चलेगा?
तो दिखा फिर चलेगा. ऊपर से से दिखाओ, कुछ नहीं दिखा। ये थोड़ा बहुत अंदर चला गया, करो बस। तुम्हारा गिवन पॉइंट ओके, तो अंदर नॉर्मल क्लिप्स पे ना बनाया है टेंजेंट। तो ये तुम्हारा नॉर्मल से ड्रॉ किया,
सर टेंजेंट
तुम से किया तो वो बताओ।
स्ट्रेट लाइन हो गई ना?
कौन से
सर ये पॉइंट वहां से
नॉर्मल, यू नीड पॉइंट टू फोकस पे फर्स्ट। Tangent and normal, what you are calling tangent and normal is not perpendicular. See, that point is round that point. Given point को round करो. So उसके साथ
Yes, sir.
now okay. स्क्रीन चला गया भाई, तनुज किधर गया? एक सेकंड।
सर मार्क किया पॉइंट।
अभी फोकस के साइड ज्वाइंट किया वो सही है। अभी ये साइड भी फोकस के साथ को करो फटाफट, सबको दिख रहा है।
किया सर।
अभी दिखाओ, ये जो फोकस वन गिवन पॉइंट टू फोकस का बाइसेक्ट बनाओ, बाइसेक्टर एंगल वैसे, तो वो होगा तुम्हारा नॉर्मल। नॉर्मल थोड़ी ना
ओके
होगा,
सर, गॉट
इट विल हार्ड।
ओके सर, गॉट इट।
फटाफट करो, पेंसिल बाहर निकलने का ही नहीं कंपास में से, ये सब भी ट्रिक्स है। अभी मैं सामने होता था ना, करता रहता, पूरा कंपास यूज कर देने का, और एक कंपास एक लूज पेंसिल रखने का। बैठा हूँ देखो ये, हाँ करेक्ट। अभी दोनों इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट उतना कॉर्ड जितना बराबर, सही है सही है।
गॉट इट सर।
बस अब ये इंटरसेक्शन हो गया, और गिवन पॉइंट उसको ज्वाइन करो, बस सही है। पूरा पूरा नहीं, इतना लंबा नहीं चाहिए, वो एज के नजदीक ही करो, इतना लंबा
इधर तक।
पूरा नहीं चाहिए। गिवन पॉइंट के थोड़ा थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे होना चाहिए, बस ये हो गया नॉर्मल। और उसको परपेंडिकुलर लाइन बनाओ।
और यहाँ से अभी ओके सर। डायरेक्ट ले लेते। सर इलिप्स के अंदर जा रहेगा।
तनुज वीडियो बंद कर दो। ठीक, now we will see another method. Okay, I will share my screen. Now, by another method, if you are given directrix and focus, we also know that we are having directrix focus method to draw ellipse or parabola. We have seen that. In that case, how you will draw? This is just a portion of ellipse is shown. Okay, whole ellipse is not shown, just a portion is shown. So what we will do? If we are having directrix and focus with us, how we will draw this tangent and normal? Fine, that we will see. Again, this point is given point Q. This red dot. Fine. Now join that given point to focus. That is one first step. Join the given point to focus. That is the first step. Second step, draw a perpendicular line to this line which you have just created. Like this. First of all, join the given point to focus. Then from that point, draw a perpendicular line to the generated line till it cut directrix at certain point. Now from that point, join the given point. That is our tangent. And the normal line, the perpendicular line to the tangent is our normal.
सर ये एकदम easy है।
हाँ, easy है. We should know every method. अभी easy है. See, I have told you earlier also that if you are saying that you draw tangent and normal, that is fine. You know 1, 2, 3 method. You can opt for anyone. But if I say in exam that draw the tangent and normal using both focus, then you will have to draw by that method only. Likewise, ellipse method, concentric circle method is very easy as compared to any other method. It consumes very less time. But if you are told that use directrix focus method to draw ellipse, you have to follow that. That's why you should be knowing every method. Okay? So this is very simple. Any doubt in this? Very 3 steps. First of all, given point joined with that focus so that one line is created. Now to that line, draw a perpendicular line from focus which cut at certain point T at directrix. That join that T point with that given Q point. So that will be our tangent. That is pink line. And a perpendicular line to that pink line is blue. That is our normal. Any doubt to anyone?
नो सर, इसमें नहीं है डाउट.
Okay, thank you. Now we will see how to draw. See, this is TT is tangent and NN is normal. Fine. Now we will draw tangent and normal to parabola. If directrix and focus is given. Ditto method, same to same, no change at all. Given point is there. Draw, connect a line with focus. Draw perpendicular line such that it intersects directrix at some point. From that point, join the given point. That is your tangent. That's it. And perpendicular line is normal. That's it. Any doubt to anyone? Any doubt to anyone?
नो
sir.
सर.
Okay. Now what we will do, we will see the next point is tangent and normal to hyperbola. But first of all, we need to see how to draw hyperbola. So we will see that first. The screen is visible.
Yes sir.
Okay. Now we will draw hyperbola. How to draw hyperbola? That, see, given statement is draw hyperbola through a point of known coordinates. Known coordinates means that where is that point that is given. In previous example, that Q point was not given. We took arbitrary any point we took. Fine. In this case, we are given some point that we will see what is that point. Okay, the point P is 40 mm from the horizontal and 30 mm from the vertical axis respectively. Draw hyperbola through it. That's it. One point is given and you require to draw hyperbola through it. So I will explain you the procedure. First of all, these are the steps. That is fine, but you pay attention to what I am asking. I am explaining you. Fine. First of all, we will generate axis. Two axes are given, na? That is x-axis and y-axis. So we will first of all identify the point where it is located. It is 40 mm from x-axis, that is horizontal axis, and 30 mm from vertical axis. So we have identified that point. Fine. By joining these horizontal and vertical lines. Okay. We give it name P.
सर ये अभी ड्रॉ करना है ना. हेलो सर. हेलो.
Okay. Am I audible? Am I
सर ये
audible?
अभी ड्रॉ ना.
Am I audible? Can you listen me?
Yes.
Okay. So what is the next step? That we will divide this vertical line in some equal segment. Fine. Here it is 40 mm. So we are dividing it vertical line into 4 segments of 10 mm each. Now here segment size is important. So we will divide horizontal line also in not equal segment, in equal size of segment. Like this is vertical line, so 10 mm each, this is 40 mm, so 1, 2, 3 and 4. Whereas horizontal, we will divide in 3 segments. In this case, till now what we have seen, that we generally divide everything in equal segment. This two entities are different altogether. We were dividing circle only. That circle is single entity. But here it is two. This is vertical line, this is horizontal line. So what we will do, we will maintain this segment size. This is 10 mm, this is 10 mm, this is 10 mm, and this is 10 mm. This is also 10, 10, and 10. So for ease, I have shown 4 segments. You can take more or less segment depending upon your convenience. But that segment size should be same on horizontal line and vertical line. Fine. Any doubt up to this? How to generate
No,
this
sir.
thing? Any doubt to anyone?
No.
Okay. Now next step. What we will do, we will extend these horizontal and vertical lines. Now we will join these points which are generated, number 1, 2 and 3 on vertical line from origin O till it touches this horizontal extended line. Again I will repeat, we will join this point 1, 2, 3 from origin till it touches this extended line. Likewise, it is like this. Same we will do with these horizontal points 1 and 2, blue color also. This one, this 2. Got it? Now, what we will do? We will give the name to them and we will follow some similar procedure, already familiar procedure. What we will do? From these newly projected 1, 2, 3 points, red color and blue color, we will draw horizontal and vertical line like this. Where we have done similar procedure like this. Where we have done similar procedure like this. Like this, where we have done
Ellipse.
ellipse, concentric circle method.
Yes.
Yeah. This is that only. That thing we are doing here. So we are getting actually the locus, collection of point we are getting here. Okay, we got 3 points from this horizontal line. Same procedure we will follow for this vertical line also. Likewise. Okay, so we got 2 more points. Understood? So now we have got collection of points. How many points we collected? 1, 2, 3, that is given point, 4, 5 and 6. Now we will join them. This will be your hyperbola. That's it. It's a very simple and clear method. Understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. Now we will draw these in our sketchbook. Before that, we will also discuss one more problem of hyperbola. PV diagram that you mechanical people will learn this in thermodynamics. Okay, what is the PV diagram? But you already have all, whether you are civil or mechanical, you have already gone through this PV diagram. When I will tell
Yes.
you, then you will realize which law it is. Boyle's, Charles, Gay-Lussac, which law? PV is equal to constant.
Oil.
Yes, Boyle's law it is. So ultimately, you know what we are doing. Okay, so don't worry about that. So now the sample of gas is expanded in a cylinder from 10 units of pressure to 1 unit of pressure. So pressure is varying from 10 to 1. Expansion follows the PV is equal to constant formula. If initial volume is 1 unit, draw the curve of expansion. So initial pressure is given 10 unit. Final pressure is given 1 unit. Initial volume is given 1 unit. So what will be the initial PV? 10 into 1. That is 10. Then that will remain constant. So now you slowly change the pressure from 10 to 5, 4, 2.5, 2, 1, etc. Accordingly, your volume will increase because our end product is constant. Fine. So these are the locus of points. What we got here is the locus of point. At times, it is not every time mandatory that you are given some point and it is told that draw from this hyperbola. That's it. It can't be as simple as also. What can be given that some formula, hyperbolic formula is given like this. This one is simple, PV is equal to constant. I may give you some complex looking formula, though it is hyperbola only, but just looking complex. And is also the procedure will remain same, nothing to worry. If you know what is to be done, that is fine. So what we'll do, we'll
हेलो
generate. Yes.
ना है वो कुछ भी ले सकते हैं ना
Yeah.
P into V
Now it is given na. Initial pressure of 10 unit is given and initial volume of 1 unit is given. So PV at particular point is 10 into 1 is it 10, that is fixed. That gets fixed na due to this, because both initial condition is given at once. See here in first line, gas expanded from 10 unit pressure. So its initial condition was 10 unit and it is expanded to 1 unit. So 10 से slowly इसको 1 लाए हैं and it is following this formula PV is equal to constant. Now what is told, if initial volume is 1 unit, तो initial volume 1 unit दे दिया, तो initial PV product का था 10 into 1 is equal to 10 and that is remaining constant. So this will be always 10. Understood? And
सर मैं बोल रहा हूँ ये पॉइंट जो लिए ना 5 into 2 4 into 2.5 ये
that you can take arbitrary. More point, see, you can take this also 10, then 9.5, then 9, then 8.5, 8, 7.5, 7, 6. You can take anything. You can also take
हाँ मैं
yes,
ये पूछ रहा
yes, you can take that 10, 9.9, 9.8, 9.7, up to 0.1 increment you can go up to 10. That is up to you. We have explained you, we have discussed earlier that more the points are there, better will be the curve fit. That's it. So now we have got these points through which our hyperbola will pass. So we are creating two axes. We are dividing into some units equal size. This one is the volume and this one is the pressure. Now we will highlight all these points combination on PV diagram. First is 10, P10, V1. So it is this point. Then likewise. Okay, we got this point. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we got this. These are the collection of point, that is locus of point. And now that's it, hyperbola. Clear? Any doubt to anyone how to draw hyperbola?
नो सर
Yes?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. We will see directrix focus method also. Now point F is 50 mm away from line AB. Point P is moving in a plane such that ratio of its distance from focus and line remains constant. Fine. And it is equal to 2 by 3. It is given like this. Draw the locus of point P. So this ratio is given ultimately, so eccentricity is given. Fine. Now we need to draw hyperbola through directrix and focus method. Fine. So we will start this. First of all, this line. Then at 50 mm we will find one focus and we will divide it in equal sections. Fine. Here it is 50 mm, so we have divided in good round numbers, that 10 mm into 5 segments. There are 50 mm. Now it is vertex is like this. So the position of vertex is correct or not? You first of all tell me that. Position of vertex is correct or not? See, eccentricity is given 2 by 3. What is eccentricity? It is the ratio of distance from focus to directrix. So according to these, from focus it should be 2 here, and from directrix it should be 3. So it should be here actually. Am I correct, everyone?
Yes, sir.
First of all, did you get my question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now there is a twist. What is the definition of hyperbola? What should be the eccentricity? If we have parabola, eccentricity is 1. If we have ellipse, eccentricity will be
less than 1,
less than 1. Now, if it is hyperbola, then
greater than.
greater than 1. So, is it happening greater than 1? It is 2 by 3. So, it is 0.66.
No.
Is it correct?
No, sir.
So, it is wrong. This thing in question is wrong. I kept it intensely. This should not be 2 by 3. It should be 3 by 2. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Then according to definition of eccentricity, this is correct. 1, 2, 3, 3 from focus, and 1, 2, 2 from directrix. So vertex is this. So this is not 2 by 3. It should be 3 by 2.
सर अभी चेंज कर दो.
सॉरी, अरे ये तो डिस्कशन के लिए ही रखा है. इधर देखो, ये रहा ऑलरेडी करेक्ट लिखा हुआ है इधर. एक डिस्कशन के लिए. तुम लोग जग रहे हो कि नहीं वो देखना पड़ता है ना मेरे को. ठीक है, चलो अभी तक इतना हुआ. अभी आगे बढ़ते हैं. Spotlight, चलो. So now we have vertices. Now the same method what we have seen earlier in parabola also. Right side point of vertex or ellipse method remains same. See, directrix vertex method will remain, directrix focus method will remain same. That you have some points on the right side of vertex towards focus, and you draw a perpendicular line to the axis. Then why this 30 and 45 is taken? Because our eccentricity is 3 by 2. Understood? So we will select such dimensions which will give us 3 by 2. 3 is the distance from focus, and so 2 is the distance from axis. So 45 by 30 is 3 by 2. So this will point, and this will lie on our hyperbola. Same way, what are the other ratios? We will take on both sides. Now the second point. This point will be 60 by 40. Again, ratio is turning out to be 3 by 2. So all the possible points we can take, and we should take maximum possible points which will give us ratio 3 by 2. Understood? So we will have this collection of points. We got this collection of points, and we will join them. That's it. This is hyperbola. Any doubt to this? Anyone having any doubt in this? Anyone
Sir.
have? Yes.
50 mm away.
Yes, this point is 50 mm away. Focus.
Then we should go away.
Sorry, I could not hear. What should
60
we should?
mm.
This is 50 mm.
That ratio 60 by 40.
That ratio is eccentricity, na? Eccentricity is that. So that ratio is 60 distance from focus and 40 distance from this vertical line.
Okay, sir, got it.
Are you getting?
Okay.
That is the basic definition. Now, don't okay. Are you convinced? See, we can discuss right now. But when once things are over and then you will come, sir, this I don't know. It is not the matter. अभी पता चल गया कि नहीं चल गया. कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है. जो भी डाउट है क्लियर करना है.
हो गया सर 40.
क्लियर हुआ?
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Sure, sir, sure.
Okay. So that's how this is 40, 30. So what other dimension I could have taken? I don't have calculator, otherwise I would have told you that something between this and something irrational number, which will again give me 3 by 2. That also I can take any number. Our thing is we should deal with 3 by 2. Okay, so now we will draw this hyperbola. Fine. Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we will take new page. So I will write here. Comment. Problem statement is clear to everyone. A point is given. Is 50 mm away from x-axis and 40 mm away from y-axis. Understood this much? हाँ,
सर ये आपने पीपीटी में बताया वही प्रॉब्लम है?
नहीं डायमेंशन अलग है।
सही है
हाँ,
ना? मतलब वो पीपीटी वाला नहीं ड्रॉ करना है ना हमें?
नहीं नहीं नहीं, मैं जो जो बोलूंगा वही तुम्हें ड्रॉ करना है। मतलब
ओके,
प्रैक्टिस के लिए हम जो जो करेंगे, अभी सपोज हमने ये किया इससे आगे इलिप्स वाला किया, वो तुम्हें करना है। वो किया है ऑलरेडी तुम लोगों ने। जस्ट इसमें आज टेंजेंट नॉर्मल ऐड करना है, दैट्स इट। तुम्हें ड्रॉ करेंगे हम लोग, वो तुम्हें ड्रॉ करना है स्केचबुक में, ये वाला प्रॉब्लम। क्लियर?
यस सर।
नहीं अमल?
हाँ सर।
अरे भाई कहाँ चले गए थे तुम?
मम्मी बाहर बुला रही थी कुछ काम के लिए।
अरे ऐसा
थोड़ा
थोड़ी
देर
होता
ऑफिस
है यार,
चला गया था।
ये तो गलत बात हो गई।
हाँ सॉरी
मम्मी
सर।
को ऐसे कभी गलत।
हाँ ठीक है सर।
ठीक है।
हाँ ठीक है सर।
हाँ, दिखाओ तुमने क्या ड्रॉ किया है अभी तक, इलिप्स वाला दिखाओ।
हाँ एक
स्क्रीन
मिनट, हाँ
शेयर।
एक मिनट,
हाँ,
हाँ एक मिनट।
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, आराम से करो।
सर क्वेश्चन बताओ।
ये रहा क्वेश्चन, लिख लो। It is easily visible.
सर योर स्क्रीन इज आ गया अब।
स्क्रीन कैप्चर कर लो ना एक बार, मोबाइल में है तो मैं दूसरा कुछ देखने जा सकता हूँ ना। मैं अमल को देखने गया था, मैं कहा गलती से इधर उधर छूट नहीं गया ना। चलो कर रहे हो ना तुम अमल, किया है ना तुमने जो जो हम करवा रहे हैं सब? किधर चला गया?
मम्मी के पास।
लीव हो गया?
हेलो
अरे
सर।
मम्मी के। हाँ
हेलो।
कौन? हाँ बोलो कौन?
ओ,
बोलो।
हाँ सर, अभी अभी तक आपने कौन से करवाए, एक बार बोल दो ना। वो सब मिक्सअप हो गया है मेरे।
मिक्सअप क्यों हो जाता है? किसी दोस्त से तुम बात कर लेना, अभी हम जो कर रहे हैं उस पे फोकस कर लो। ये प्रॉब्लम जो दिख रहा है ना अभी मेरी स्क्रीन पे, वो राइट करो।
ओके।
ये
एक ही
कौन है?
नोटबुक में था ना, इसीलिए।
नहीं दिख रहा। कमल, मोबाइल थोड़ा शीट पे लाओ। कमल, कैन यू हियर मी? Amal, can you hear me? चलो कोई बात नहीं। Now, everyone have written this problem. Now we have 4 quadrants. Fine. So where this point will be? In first quadrant, here somewhere. So hyperbola passing through will be like this. Fine. So you need to adjust your paper such that it will be like something like this. And if you start like this and your point is in this quadrant, then your actual image will come here. So you need to rub it again, etc. So whenever you are given some problem, first of all, see the dimension, calculate raw dimensions, then start proceeding. Fine. Now we will draw. What we will do, first of all, we will have axis. First of all, we will have axes. You also draw simultaneously. This is one axis. This is another axis. This. Now, point is given. So I will use my compass and scale. It is how much away from horizontal axis? 50 mm away. So I will measure 50 like this. So it is from like this. So vertically it will be like this. Now it is how much away from vertical axis? 40 mm. So we'll measure 40 mm. And be like this. 40. We still don't know where the point will be. Fine. So what we will do? We'll mark 50 mm vertical distance that we know from here like this. So ultimately we got that point. Dimensions are in mm. We got our first point. That is the point through which our hyperbola should pass. Origin. This much is clear to everyone. Now we need to join this line and this horizontal line also, because it needs to be extended later on like this. Fine. Now we will divide this vertical segment and horizontal segment in equal sizes. So here also 10 mm size we will take. We'll give them name 1, 2, 3, 4. In this 1, 2, 3. There is no particular rule that you should go in this direction 1, 2, 3 or this direction 1, 2, 3 or likewise. There is nothing. Now we will join points through this origin and through this till it intersects these extended lines. Okay. Clear? Like this. From O to 2. From O to 3. From O to 4. We will also give them name again, same name. 1, 2, and 4. My 4 is here. This is the 4.
Sir, that we have to take random.
What we have to take randomly? There is nothing randomly. Clear me. Which one? We haven't taken anything randomly. Which point you are talking about? Clear me. आओ भाई किस पॉइंट की बात कर रहे हो? So same procedure we need to follow for this vertical line also. We'll give 1, 2, we have one practical discussion. Till now, screen is visible. Till now, what we have discussed that more better the curve. Fine. Now you focus here. I have 5 parts. Point would have come
Yes. Out of page चला.
Okay. Exactly. Correct. So now is the method of being other than every time points. Here, if you draw this line, it won't intersect here. It will go outside of building. Why it is so? Because it is inherent nature of hyperbola. It becomes axis. It never meets axis, but it goes parallel to the axis. That point may never meet as well. That's why this much calculation is very much required before proceeding. Now our regular procedure, I will be using my set square. It is very convenient to use this. I'll put like this, parallel to this axis, this edge, horizontal line like this. Same way from this point. If you are having drafter, it will be a lot more convenient. Like this. Again, we will have from point like this. Okay. And we will draw vertical lines from these all points. माइक बंद करो भाई. From this point, how we will get that vertical lines like this. Here, if there is some problem to point 3, same will be from here to point 3. That's it. We directly got our point. You can do this to every other. Similarly, we will do for this fourth point also. We'll take this much. And then like this. So we have got collection of points. We will name them P1, 2, P2. We will go this way. P3, P1. This is P. This is P1. This is 2, P2. 3, P3. And this is P4. Everyone got these points? Now we
Hello,
will
sir.
need to join it. Sorry?
Hello.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.
Hello.
Now we will join them by smooth curve. Now we will join like this.
हेलो सर।
Yes.
सर एक पॉइंट सर पेज के बाहर चला गया थोड़ा सा।
हाँ तो वही मैं बताया कर लेने, कोई बात नहीं। बाकी के पॉइंट्स तो ज्वाइन करो।
हाँ सर, बाकी के
कौन
आ
सा
गए।
टिकल वर्टिकल गया?
वर्टिकल वर्टिकल।
हाँ तो उधर से एक पॉइंट नजदीक से वापस एक लो, दूसरा जनरेट करो, पेज के बॉर्डर में आ जाए वैसा। समझ में आया क्या करना
ओके
है?
सर, ओके।
हाँ,
हाँ हाँ।
तो अपना
यस
तो अल्टीमेट काम होना चाहिए। देखो मेरा हाइपरबोला हो गया, दिख रहा है?
यस सर, दिख रहा है।
ठीक है, किसी को डाउट इन दिस फिगर? Anyone having doubt in this?
No, sir.
Thank you. So now we will move further. Screen is visible?
सर 2 मिनट, सर 1 मिनट रुको ना।
Screen is visible. Answer me.
Visible, sir.
Okay.
આટલા જ વૈધા 7,000 હું ભણા ગયા સર, મને એ જ વિચાર નહીં આવતો કાનનો. સિવિલ ના ચાલ્યા.
तनुज,
यस सर।
देखो एक आदमी हो या 7 हो या 70 हो, पढ़ाना तो सेम पड़ता है।
नहीं सर, लेकिन बहुत सारे थे, अभी 9 या 9 जन थे।
देखो जिसको पढ़ना है पढ़ेगा, जिसको नहीं पढ़ना है नहीं पढ़ेगा।
यस सर।
सर तो वो केमिकल वाला का हो गया?
हो गया है वो सब, आप लोगों की वरी नहीं है, मेरे को दोनों को साथ में लेके चलना है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, सब साथ में ही है। आगे पीछे थोड़ा बहुत हो जाता है, फिर सब साथ में है। और दिस इज
अभी
जस्ट
अभी
सुनो आप लोग एक
वाले
बात,
भी
पहले सुनो आप एक बात। वो लोग केमिकल वाले हैं, आप लोग सिविल और मैकेनिकल वाले लोग, आपका ये बेसिक बहुत स्ट्रांग होना चाहिए। वो लोग बहुत इंटरेस्ट लेके कर रहे हैं और फास्ट कर रहे हैं आपसे, एंड आई एम नॉट लाइकिंग दैट यू आर दिस मच डिलेइंग थिंग्स इन अंडरस्टैंडिंग एज वेल एज इन ड्राइंग। उन लोगों को तो एक सेमेस्टर है खाली, आपको तो आगे भी आना है, 2-3 सब्जेक्ट आएंगे ऐसे, सिविल हो या मैकेनिकल हो। So make the use of your tools effectively and do it fast. Okay, now stop your microphones. I will proceed further. So we have seen the ellipse, how to draw that. For ellipse we have seen two methods: draw normal and tangent. This one is the directrix focus method. Fine, it is very simple. This is the dicto method for parabola that we will see. We have already seen this is parabola and that is dicto method. There is no change at all, and the same stands true for hyperbola also. See, this is one hyperbola is given, for example, and you have given some point. What is the step? You will speak the step. You will speak the steps. I will take names and you will speak. चलो नील पहला स्टेप बताओ। Neil is there? चलो तनुज पहला स्टेप बताओ।
हेलो सर,
हाँ बोलो।
ये सेम प्रॉब्लम ड्रॉ करना है अभी,
ये ड्रॉ नहीं
या आप
करना
दूसरा
है,
लिखवा रहे हो?
ये ड्रॉ
हाँ?
नहीं करना, ये समझा रहा हूँ टेंजेंट एंड नॉर्मल।
ओके ओके।
और ए
Sir,
अपने
take
को
10 point.
एक मिनट यू पे अटेंशन टू मी। सी वी हैव ड्रॉन टेंजेंट, सॉरी पैराबोला, अंडरस्टैंड? इन दैट आल्सो listen to me first
वर्टिकल
of all,
करना है।
listen to me first of all. We have drawn parabola with tangent method earlier lab. You take any random point Q and draw tangent and normal to that. We have seen just previously, we have seen procedure. Fine, that is one thing. Second, we have drawn this ellipse, parallel ellipse. Again, in that ellipse, you draw the tangent and normal in whatever method you convenient. Then it will hardly take 2 minutes. So you draw two tangent and two normal, both with either method. Fine. And third, we have drawn this hyperbola just now, and I am discussing the hyperbola method. So we will draw this tangent and normal to this also. अब बोलो क्या है? क्वेश्चन किसी का है? बोलो, कुछ पूछ रहा था कोई? Okay, we will discuss it how to draw. So for same method, join a given point to focus. From that, draw a perpendicular line to meet directrix. From that point, join the given point, that is our tangent. That's it. And perpendicular line to that is normal. Simple. है कुछ डाउट इसमें किसी को? किसी को
No, sir.
कुछ डाउट है इसमें?
No, sir.
ओके फाइन। किसी को कुछ ये सेशन का कुछ पूछना है? हमने क्या क्या किया? फर्स्ट हमने इलिप्स में टेंजेंट नॉर्मल किया 2 मेथड से, फिर हाइपरबोला ड्रॉ किया 2 मेथड से, फिर इलिप्स, पैराबोला एंड हाइपरबोला को टेंजेंट एंड नॉर्मल ड्रॉ किया डायरेक्ट्रिक्स एंड फोकस मेथड से। फाइन।
सर
कौन है? बोलो भाई। सर बोल के रुक जाओगे तो कैसे पता चलेगा? जो भी है बोलो तुम।
हाँ सर, पहले से है ना, वो एक बार टॉपिक बोल जाओ।
कौन सा टॉपिक?
मतलब
ए सेशन में क्या क्या करवाया वो?
जो भी करवाए ना, उससे टॉपिक क्या है?
ए सेशन में क्या क्या करवाया वही चाहिए ना?
ये ना, इसके पहले
इसके पहले तुम याद रखो ना डियर।
मिक्सअप हो गया है, याद तो
हाँ तो तुम
कुछ
ये
तो नहीं
ग्रुप में अपन जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं तुम्हारे ग्रुप में उनसे डिस्कस करो, क्या टॉपिक चला है वो पता करो, उनसे उनसे बातें करो,
ओके।
ठीक है। इसमें कुछ डाउट है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये क्लियर हुआ इतना चीज
यस
to everyone? Dhruv?
यस सर।
Okay, so we will end this session now. Fine. So this is the sheet problem also, this hyperbola is. We'll have to draw it later on.
Okay.
And you prepare good sketchbook, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.